Imagine this. You're sitting at your kitchen table with your morning coffee, and that thought crosses your mind again. I wish I could finally start something online. Maybe you've spent years raising a family, working a 9 to 5, or running a small business that never quite went digital. And now, everywhere you turn, people are talking about AI, content creation, and online income streams. But no one seems to explain how to start from zero, especially if you don't have tech experience. So today I'm going to walk you through your first digital steps online. From setting up your first email to creating your first social media account and even your first free business card, all with easy, free AI tools. By the end, you won't just watch how it's done. You'll do it with me. Welcome to Opportunity Economy, the channel that turns ideas into income for beginners, small business owners, entrepreneurs, retirees, and professionals pivoting without a degree or prior experience. Here, we don't believe in hustling harder. We believe in building smarter with AI tools, simple systems, and digital strategies that work in real life. So grab your notebook, pause when you need to, and let's build your first digital foundation together. Let's start with a simple truth. In 2026, being invisible online means being invisible in business. Whether you're launching a side hustle, teaching online, consulting, or selling handmade crafts, people find you online first. And that doesn't mean spending thousands on websites or ads. It starts with 3 things. 1, an email address that looks professional. 2, a social media presence where people can find and trust you. 3, a simple way to introduce yourself, your digital business card. These are your first digital footprints, and I'll show you how to make them today. The first step to entering the digital world is creating your email address, your digital identity. Think of it as your online home address. It's where opportunities, partnerships, and customers will reach you. I recommend starting with gmail.com. It's free, easy, and integrates perfectly with AI tools you'll use later, like ChatGPT, Canva, and Google Workspace. Go to gmail.com, click Create Account, and choose For Myself or For Business. Both are fine for starters. Enter your name. Choose a simple email like janesmithbiz@gmail.com or janebakes226@gmail.com or the recommended name. Create a strong password. Add your phone number for security, and you're in. Welcome to Gmail. Take a moment to set up your own Gmail account right now. You'll need it for every other digital step we take, and this is your first small win. Now, once you're inside Gmail, spend a minute exploring the left panel. You'll see Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. Don't worry about the extra features. For now, I just want you to practice sending a test email to yourself or to a friend. Compose window opens, short email, send. Try it yourself. Practice equals confidence. You've officially taken your first digital step, and trust me, it's bigger than it looks. Because from here, every tool you use, AI, Canva, or YouTube, will connect to this identity. Now that you have your digital address, it's time to open your digital doors through social media. This is how people find you, learn from you, and connect with your business or brand. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Don't try to start everywhere at once. Choose just one platform you already enjoy. If you love community, start with Facebook. If you love visuals, try Instagram. If you enjoy teaching or sharing, YouTube might be your zone. Let's walk through Facebook as an example. Go to facebook.com and click Create New Account. Enter your name, email, the one you just created, and choose a password. You can add a photo, maybe a smiling headshot or your favorite workspace image. Write a short introduction like retired teacher sharing tips for small businesses or beginner baker turning passion into purpose. Keep it real, keep it simple. Pause the video here and try creating your first Facebook or Instagram account. You don't need to post anything yet. Just set up your profile and upload one friendly photo. Congratulations! You've now got your first digital address and your first social presence. You're officially online. And the next step? You'll create your first digital business, tiny but powerful tool that introduces you instantly. Before we move on, don't forget, I've created a free digital business starter pack just for you. It walks you step by step through everything we've covered so far: email, social media, and even your first free website. You can download it right now using the link below or in the pinned comment. Print it, keep it beside your laptop, and build along with me. Now that you've set up your email and your first social media accounts, It's time to get comfortable in your new digital space. Think of this part like learning how to drive. You've got the car, now let's take it for a spin. Next, get organized with Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. Gmail inbox, opening Google Drive, creating a simple folder. Start by organizing your new digital life. Inside Google Drive, create one main folder called My Digital Business. Then inside it, create 3 folders: content for your posts and videos, ideas where you'll jot down inspiration, and tools to store links and documents. Tip: always keep your business and personal files separate. Whenever you hear me say pause and practice, go ahead, open a new tab and do it right now. Pause here and create your folders. Next, let's make your digital handshake, your online business card. Go to canva.com, it's free, and search for digital business card. Choose a template that fits your vibe, clean, confident, maybe a pop of color. Add your name, what you do, like beginner digital creator or handmade jewelry seller, your email address, links to your Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. Canva create digital business card template. Then download it as a PNG or PDF so you can share it anywhere. This is your first digital asset, simple, personal, and ready to grow with you. Canva isn't just for business cards, it's your creative studio. You can design posts, YouTube thumbnails, flyers, and banners, all drag and drop. Start by picking a simple Instagram post template. Change the text to something like, "Starting my digital journey today." Add your photo, save, and post it on your new social account. Practice, create your first post in Canva. That's your first public step into the digital world. Exciting, right? Next, meet your first AI coworker, ChatGPT. Now let's meet your new virtual assistant, ChatGPT. This tool can help you write emails, brainstorm social media ideas, or even explain tech in plain English. Try this prompt. Explain how to post my first YouTube video step by step like I'm a beginner. See how it responds? You've just automated your first 15 minutes of confusion. Next, edit smarter, not harder with CapCut. If you're thinking of making short videos or reels, CapCut is a great place to start. It's free, beginner-friendly, and packed with templates. Import a short clip, even a selfie video saying, "Hi, I'm learning to use AI." Then, if you're starting your digital journey and you followed along this far, you've already done what 90% of people never do. You started. To keep going, download your free Digital Business Starter Toolkit. It includes all the links, beginner prompts, and a simple planner to help you build momentum. Next, we'll take your new digital tools and turn them into real results. In the next video, 3 simple business systems to stop overwhelm and grow smarter. You'll learn how to build simple, repeatable systems that make your business run like clockwork. Opportunity economy, build smarter, live freer. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to really simplify your life and grow smarter online, don't stop here. Watch my next tutorial, 5 free AI tools to automate your small business today. You'll discover simple ways to save hours every week using AI. Download your free starter pack, link below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and join our Opportunity Economy community where we turn ideas into income, one smart step at a time. If you're starting your digital journey and you followed along this far, you've already done what 90% of people never do. You started. To keep going, download your free Digital Business Starter Toolkit. It includes all the links, beginner prompts, and a simple planner to help you build momentum. Next, we'll take your new digital tools and turn them into real results. In the next video, 3 simple business systems to stop overwhelm and grow smarter. You'll learn how to build simple, repeatable systems that make your business run like clockwork. Opportunity economy, build smarter, live freer. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to really simplify your life and grow smarter online, don't stop here. Watch my next tutorial, 5 free AI tools to automate your small business today. You'll discover simple ways to save hours every week using AI. Download your free starter pack, link below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and join our Opportunity Economy community where we turn ideas into income, one smart step at a time.